So friends, today we are going to study knocking in SI engines in very simple way. We will study what is knocking, cause of knocking and other things related to knocking. To understand the phenomena of knocking in SI engines, that is the spark ignition engines, you can see this is an SI engine. You can see this diagram. This is spark plug as shown, and these are the waves of combustion produced after the spark is made and the fuel is burned. Now to understand knocking, let us see figure on right side. You can see the figure on right side shows spark plug as shown and the wave produced by the combustion of charge for normal combustion process are as shown by this arrow. You can see this. Now, let us first understand the process of normal combustion first. When spark is made by spark plug, then layer of charge in immediate contact of the spark plug, that is the layer 1, okay, denoted by the letter 1, starts burning after the spark is made through the spark plug. When the layer 1 is burnt, then because of heat produced by burning of layer 1, layer 2 will start burning. Then because of the heat produced by layer 2, layer 3 will start burning, and after that layer 4 will burn, then layer 5 will burn, and then layer at last layer 6 will burn. So this is the sequence followed. So if this sequence is followed in burning of the layer, then we can say that the combustion is normal. Now let us see what is abnormal combustion or cause of knocking. Okay. Suppose this sequence is disturbed, that is the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the burning of layer is disturbed. Then there will be a process called knocking will occur in the engine. Suppose if spark is made and layer of charge in immediate contact with spark plug, that is the layer 1 get ignited, as you can see in the next figure. And because of the heat produced by burning of the layer 1 before the ignition of any of the layer 2, 3, 4 and 5, if layer 6 of the fuel is ignited, then because of the heat and the pressure produced by layer 6, a second wave of combustion will start and it will start traveling in opposite direction to the initial wave, okay, as shown here in the figure. So the sequence is disturbed basically. If the sequence is, suppose first layer is burned, then after that second layer is burned, and after that directly sixth layer is burned, and the layer 3, 4 and 5 are left out, then we can say that this is not a sequence, proper sequence. So if the sequence is disturbed, then knocking will occur. In either case you can see this. In simple word, knocking is the disturbance in the sequence of burning of layer of charge. In more technical words, cause of knocking in SI engine is pre-ignition or auto-ignition of end charge. In by end charge, we mean charge of layer 6 ignites earlier, due to which collision of two wave fronts occurs which are traveling in opposite direction as shown, which results in noise and vibration and sometime engine failure.